This video is about Vipassana meditation. Have you been to Vipassana or not? I have been twice. Twice, not thrice. I've been twice. So why to go Vipassana? First of all, I heard about Vipassana. My teacher told me about Vipassana. Vipassana is a good technique. If you'll go there, you will find a lot of good things in life, or you will imagine your thoughts. You will go inside, deep inside about your life, and you will understand about life. I didn't understand anything. Personally, I did not understand anything. I thought what to do something. In Vipassana, they say if you do Vipassana in this life, Vipassana will attract you in another life. That is called Vipassana. So Vipassana, when I filled a form, Vipassana, you have to fill a form before going there, and you have to stay for 10 days there. It's a lengthy program. You have to wake up at 4 a.m. and you have to sleep at 9 p.m. in the evening, and you get food for 3 time, uh, 7 a.m., 12 a.m. and 6 a.m., 6 p.m. It's like this. And what you have to do, you don't have to talk to anyone, you don't have to make any eye contact within 10 days, and uh, you cannot say anything to anyone. Just do meditation, and when bell rings, you have to go. If bell rings for, there is a proper timetable. If bell rings, you have to go for dinner, you have to go for breakfast. They will give you the timetable, and you have to follow that timetable. In 2 days, you will learn the timetable, what we have to do. So it's really, and what do you get there? After completing 10 days, you will realize that sensations in body. After 3 or 4 days, you will realize sensation. What kind of sensations do we have inside in our body? And we have to ignore all the sensations. We have to ignore anything. Anything happening is, if anything happening good in our life, anything happening is good outside, or if anything happening is bad outside, we don't have to react. We have to become equanimous. In Hindi they say samta. Samta mein raho. Equanimous. Equanimity. We'll learn about the equanimity when we go to Vipassana. And Vipassana is such a powerful meditation. You can never realize in your life that the power of Vipassana meditation. I told a lot of people, yeah, just go, just go. Not a single person went to Vipassana. Why? Because they were telling us, I don't have time, I cannot go, 10 days are a lot, my job, I cannot take a leave from my job. So I want to say one thing to you, that you don't want to know your life, who are you, and you are doing job and you are not doing anything. Vipassana is something that know yourself from inside. Who are you? Who really are you? And what is happening around, it doesn't make any difference anywhere in this life. So that is called Vipassana. If you get time in life, if you hear with someone that I want to go Vipassana, just go. Do not think what will happen, what if I'll take a job, 10 days leave from my job, what will happen? I don't know what happened. But this is really important for your life. Money is not the essential thing in your life. Spirituality is also the important thing. And the one most important thing is this: if you are a Hindu, if you are a Muslim, it doesn't make any difference to you in Vipassana. Why? Because they don't say to imagine anything. They don't say to imagine anything, that you have to imagine this God, this God. No, Vipassana, what is the means of Vipassana? Vipassana, to look with your eyes what is happening. Do not believe in any other thing. What is happening with your experience, just believe in that. Do not believe any other thing what is happening. You have to look yourself. That is called Vipassana. So if you get time, please go to Vipassana and do meditation for 10 days. Bye bye. I will come with new video with Vipassana. I have a lot of experience because I'm doing it from last 2 years. So yeah, I have some experience about Vipassana, and yeah, okay.